I had heard about Buell Central, but I had never heard about all their sustainability efforts. And I think this is perfect. And I think we need to take that fire that Mario has and just take it into every single school, campus and into every single subject. I just love the way that they collaborated to think of different ways to solve certain problems. And so that's teaching them not just the curriculum and stuff, but also life lessons. Yes, you're dealt a certain hand, but you can get away from, you can do something with that hand. I am going to look at what I'm teaching this year and see what can I do to make it more relevant and project-based learning. Can I bring a project for my kids to learn this specific topic? Is there anything, that I can apply and have them, okay, well, what if you have this, let's do something with, angles, whatever, but yes, something that applies to real world. Let's build something. Let's get our hands dirty, do something, and I don't know, just, I'm excited.